it's time to do an activity. In the previous class, we have learned the names of some domestic animals. Can we say one by one? Yes. What is it? Goat. It is a goat. The next one, can you tell me its name?
It's a cat.
Yes, it is a cat. Is it a dog?
No, it is not that dog. It is a cow.
Good. Can we clap for Kashika? Tell me this one. Is it a donkey? No. It is not a donkey. It is a horse. Okay. So in today's activity, you are going to say like this. Okay va? In the picture onna kaamichi unga friend kitta, is it a dog? அப்படினு நீங்க கேட்கணும். அவங்க என்ன சொல்லணும்? அது டாக் பிக்சரா இருந்தா yes, it is a dog அப்படினு சொல்லுவாங்க. டாக் இல்லனா no, it is not a dog அப்படினு சொல்லணும். But today's activity we are not going to do in our class, we are going to do in our school ground. Okay, the name of this activity is onion rings. An activity? Onion rings. Okay, shall we move to the ground now? Yes, ma'am. Come on children, let's move. Okay children, shall we start this activity now?
Yes, ma'am.
To do this activity, see, I have drawn 2 circles. Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
See, the inner circle and the outer circle. Isn't it? Okay, now let me call some names. They should go and stand in the inner circle. Okay, let us start from Karthik. Karthik, go and stand. Yes, good. Then Sajana. Okay. Now you all are going to stand in the
Outside.
Yes. Okay, go and stand there. Listen children. யார் யாரெல்லாம் outer circle நிக்கிறீங்களோ அவங்க கிட்ட இந்த cards கொடுக்க போறேன். Are you all ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now a music will be played. Those who are standing in the outer circle, raise your hand. You should run in the clockwise direction. Okay, in this direction you have to run. And those who are standing in the inner circle, raise your hand. You should run in the anti-clockwise direction. Okay, ippadi odanum neenga. Shall we start the game now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ready? Now, whoever is standing opposite to you, who is holding the picture cards? Yeah, you should ask your partner. Whoever is standing opposite to you, ask the question, is it? Okay, is it? அப்படினு கேட்கணும். கேக்குறீங்களா? Okay, now Vansika is going to ask Pratish. Come on Vansika, what will you ask?
A horse. Yes, it is a horse.
Very good. Can we clap for both the children? Okay, again. Start. Okay. Now Ritik is going to ask Preeti.
Is it a goat?
Preeti, tell me. Yes, it is a goat.
Yes, it is a goat.
Good. Again. Start. Now Shivani is going to ask Sajana.
Is it a cat? No, it's not a cat. It is a donkey.
Very good. Clap for Sajana. Okay, come on, start again. Run. Good. Now Jayashree is going to ask Bensi. Jayashree, what will you ask?
Is it a dog?
Very good.
Yes, it is a dog.
Oh, that's wonderful. Can we clap for these girls? Okay. Dia, who is standing before you?
Kashika ma'am.
Okay. What will you ask her?
Is it a cow? Yes, it is a cow.
Oh, that's great. Clap for Dia and Kashika. Okay. இப்போ எந்த பேரை கேட்கலாம்? தீபக். தீபக் உங்க முன்னாடி யார் இருக்கா?
Karthik.
கார்த்திக். கார்த்திகை பார்த்து என்ன கேட்கலாம்?
It is a cow.
இல்ல. Is it a cow அப்படின்னு கேட்கலாமா? கேளுங்க.
Is it a cow?
No.
It is a cow.
Wait. No.
No.
It is not a cow.
No, it is not a cow.
It is a pig.
It is a pig.
Can we say one more time?
Yes.
Okay, Deepak கேளுங்க.
Is
it a cow?
Is it a cow? No, it is not a cow. It is a pig.
Wow, fantastic. Clap for Karthik. Yay, that's wonderful. சூப்பரா சொல்லிட்டான் பாருங்க கார்த்திக். இந்த ஆக்டிவிட்டில நம்ம அந்த சர்க்கிள்ல சுத்திட்டு என்ன கத்துக்கிட்டோம்? வெரி குட். சம் டொமஸ்டிக் அனிமல்ஸ் நேம்ஸ் சொன்னீங்க. அதுக்கப்புறம் இந்த அனிமல்ஸோட பிக்சர்ஸ் எல்லாம் பார்த்து இஸ் இட் அ டாக், இஸ் இட் அ கேட் அப்படின்னு கேட்டீங்க. உங்களுக்கு ஆப்போசிட்ல இருக்கிற உங்க ஃப்ரெண்டை பார்த்து கேட்டீங்க. அவங்க என்ன ஆன்சர் சொன்னாங்க? எஸ், இட் இஸ் அ டாக். நோ, இட் இஸ் நாட் அ டாங்கி அப்படியெல்லாம் சொன்னாங்க இல்லையா? இதெல்லாம் நிறைய கத்துக்கிட்டோம் இந்த ஆக்டிவிட்டில இருந்து. நல்லா இருந்ததா இன்னைக்கு?
Yes, ma'am.
See you in the next class. Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, children, and take care of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Oh my goodness! It's incredible to hear the child speak the entire line in English. How are teachers able to do this? Through consistent practice? Yes, it is. Here, the students recollect the names of domestic animals and talk about them using the structure yes, it is and no, it is not. Particularly for Arumbu and Motto students, the teacher might prompt the student when they are unable to speak. In this instance, the child correctly answers by naming the animal and giving the complete sentence. If you look at this, you can see how the learning process works. The child narrates it word by word. Such students deserve a hearty round of applause. Some students are quick to grasp. Gifted children indeed. These students are also to be appreciated since they come out with grammatically correct sentence but contextually incorrect. However, the teacher assists them and the students quickly pick it up. Thank you. We'll move on to the next video.
Term-2 Module-3 Story Time. Hello dear students.
Hello, teacher.
How are you all?
We are fine, teacher.
Nice to hear. Do you have pets at home?
Yes, teacher.
Do you have pet at home?
Yes, teacher.
What do you have?
I have a rabbit.
Very good. Do you have any?
Yes, miss.
What do you have?
I have a parrot.
Wow. Anyone?
I have a parrot.
Nice.
I have a cat.
Very good. You don't have pets at home?
No, miss.
Okay, fine. So, how do you take care of the pets? Are they happy with you?
Yes, miss.
Are they happy with you?
Yes, miss.
உங்ககிட்ட சந்தோஷமா இருக்கா உங்க பெட்ஸ் எல்லாம்?
Yes, miss.
பெட்ஸ்னா தெரியுது இல்லையா? செல்ல பிராணி, வளர்ப்பு பிராணி வச்சு வளர்ப்பீங்க இல்லையா? They are called as pets. Okay. Are they happy with you?
Yes, miss.
How do they take care of them? அது எப்படி பத்திரமா பார்த்துப்பீங்க? Very good. Now we are going to see a story called Happy Birds.
Happy birds.
Are you ready to listen to the story?
Yes, miss.
Yes. Now let me tell you the story. Kavya and Kavin want a pet. What do they want? They want a pet. I want a pup, says Kavya. What does she say?
I want a pup.
Very good. What is a pup? Puppana naikutti. Very good. Kavin says, I want a rabbit. Rabbits are cute. Who said that? Who said that? Yaar sonadu? Very good. Kavina Kavyava? Kavin said, rabbits are cute. I want a rabbit. Have you seen rabbits?
Yes.
Where have you seen? எங்க பார்த்திருக்கீங்க? Rabbitனா என்ன? எங்க பார்த்திருக்கீங்க?
Violet.
Very good. வயல்ல பார்த்திருப்பீங்க. வேற?
Zoo.
Zoo. Very good. Where have you seen? Very good. காட்டுல, ஃபாரஸ்ட்ல கூட அவங்க பார்த்திருக்காங்க. So they have seen a rabbit. They went to the grandmother and grandmother said, we will go to the market. We will go to the market. I will buy you pets. Kavya, Kavin and grandmother go to the pet shop. They go to the pet shop. They see many pet animals. They see, yes. அங்க என்னென்ன பார்த்தாங்க? They see cats and kittens, dogs and puppies, ducks and ducklings. There are many birds in small cages. There are many birds in small cages. என்னென்னலாம் பார்த்தாங்க? Yes, kittens, dogs, pups, ducklings and birds in small cages. Where do they see the birds? In a cage. Where do they see the birds? In a cage. ஒரு கூண்டுக்குள்ளார தான் அவங்க பார்த்தாங்க இல்லையா? They are very sad. They are very sad. They cannot sing. They cannot fly. அவதுங்களால பாடவும் முடியாது, பறக்கவும் முடியாது. Why are the birds very sad? ஏன் பறவை எல்லாம் ரொம்ப சோகமா இருக்கு? Yes. And அவங்களால பாட்டு பாட முடியல, ஃப்ரீயா இருக்க முடியல. So they are very sad. So on seeing that, Kavin and Kavya are very sad too. அவங்களும் ரொம்ப சோகமாயிட்டாங்க. And Kavya was angry and Kavin cried. அவனுக்கு அழுகையே வந்துருச்சு. பேர்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் இவ்வளவு சோகமா இருக்கிறத பார்த்து அவனுக்கு அழுகையே வந்துருச்சு. Grandmother has an idea. Grandmother has an idea. She buys all the birds. She buys all the birds. Kavya, Kavin and grandmother go back to their home. Where do they go back?
Home.
Very good. Who bought all the birds? Who bought all the birds? யார் எல்லா பேர்ட்ஸையும் வாங்குனது?
Grandmother.
Very good. வீட்டுக்கு போயிட்டு என்ன பண்ணாங்க தெரியுமா? They opened the doors of all the cages and the birds hopped out of the cage and flew away happily. So what did they do? வீட்டுக்கு போன உடனே அந்த birds எல்லாம் கேஜ்ல இருந்து அப்படியே அந்த டோரை திறந்து விட்ட உடனே வெளியில ஹாப் பண்ணி குதிச்சு குதிச்சு எல்லாமே ஹாப்பியா பறந்து போச்சு. எஸ், அப்போ பேர்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் வெளியில ஃப்ரீயா இருந்தா ஹாப்பியா இருக்குமா, இல்ல கேஜ்க்குள்ள ஹாப்பியா இருக்குமா? Yes. Okay. Now, Kavin and Kavya, what did they feel? Kavinum Kavyaவும் இப்ப எப்படி ஃபீல் பண்ணாங்க? Are they happy? Yes, they were very happy. Very good. Yes. அப்போ இனிமே அவங்களுக்கு பெட் இருக்குமா இருக்காதா? எல்லாம் தான் பறக்க விட்டாச்சு. Now they don't have any pets. Now the grandmother says, don't worry, I will buy you a new pup soon. வருத்தப்படாதீங்க, உங்களுக்கு நான் சீக்கிரமா ஒரு புது நாய்க்குட்டியை வாங்கி தரேன் அப்படின்னு who said? Grandmother said. Kavya said, no grandma, I will play with the pup which is around our house. நம்ம வீட்டை சுத்தி இருக்கிற பப்பீஸ் கூடயே நான் விளையாடுறேன் அப்படின்னு காவியா சொன்னா. And what did Kavin say, you know? He said, I will feed all the birds and the squirrels around our house. நம்ம வீட்டை சுத்தியே நிறைய பேர்ட்ஸ் பறக்குது, நிறைய ஸ்குவிரல்ஸ் எல்லாம் இருக்கு இல்லையா, அதுக்கெல்லாம் நான் என்ன பண்றேன், டெய்லி தீனி போட்டு அதுக்கு நான் வளர்க்குறேன் அப்படின்னு காவியா சொன்னான். ஸோ பெட் ஷாப்ல இருக்கக்கூடிய அனிமல்ஸை நம்ம என்ன பண்ணக்கூடாது, வாங்கி அதை கேஜ்ல போட்டு நம்ம வளர்க்க கூடாது. உங்களை கேஜ்ல போட்டா உங்களுக்கு எப்படி இருக்கும்? Will you be happy? No. In the same way, they will also be not happy. So you should let them free. Do you like the story?
Yes,
Yes. What did Kavya want to have as a pet?
puppy.
Very good. Give a good clap for her. Now, what did Kavya want to have as a pet?
Puppy.
Very good. Give a good clap for her. Yes. Did Kavin like to have a rabbit as a pet?
Yeah.
Very good. Give a good clap for him. Where did they go to get the pets?
To the pet shop.
Very good. What birds do they see in the cage in the pet shop? Very good. Were the birds happy in the cage?
No,
Why?
they cannot fly.
Very good. Give a good clap for him. Do you like to have the birds in the cage?
No, I like them to be free.
Very good. Now we are going to enact the story.
I want a pup. I want a rabbit. Rabbits are huge. Let us go to the market. I will get you a pet. They are very sad. Don't worry, I have an idea. I will buy all the birds. Okay, Grandma. Let's open it and let it free. Okay, Grandma.
Very good. Excellent.
Don't worry, I will get you a pet pup soon. No, grandmother, we will play with the dogs around our house. We will feed the birds and squirrels around our house.
Very good. Fantastic job. After completing this story, make the students do the exercises given in the workbook. Are you ready, children?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Now, you are going to number the pictures from 1 to 4. You have to think about the picture and number it from 1 to 4. And you are going to name the match the animals with their young ones. You are going to match the animals with their young ones and read and put right or wrong. You have to read it and put whether it is right or wrong. Then you have to help the animals find their homes. You have to help them find their homes. Will you do it correctly?
Yes, miss.
Will you do it correctly?
Yes, miss.
Very good. Carry on.
Finish, miss.
Very good. Check it again. Have you all completed?
Yes, miss.
Well done. Good job. Give a good clap for everyone.
A few questions about the story are asked by the teacher as she introduces it.
Do you have pet at home?
Yes, teacher.
What do you have?
I have a rabbit.
Very good. Do you have any?
Yes, miss.
What do you have?
I have a parrot.
Here, the teacher and the students have a discussion about caring for pets. Each student is required to participate in the story as it is told by the teacher using stick puppets.
Where have you seen? எங்க பார்த்திருக்கீங்க? Rabbitனா என்ன? எங்க பார்த்திருக்கீங்க? Very good.
The teacher explains the story in detail while illustrating it with pictures taken from the teacher's handbook. Here, the students are educated on the terrible treatment of caged birds. Students also learn how to care for stray dogs, birds, and squirrels near their homes through this story.
பெட் ஷாப்ல இருக்கக்கூடிய அனிமல்ஸை நம்ம என்ன பண்ணக்கூடாது, வாங்கி அதை கேஜில் போட்டு நம்ம வளர்க்க கூடாது. உங்களை கேஜில் போட்டால் உங்களுக்கு எப்படி இருக்கும்? Will you be happy? No. In the same way, they will also be not happy. So you should let them free.
Each student has the opportunity to respond to the teacher's questions in this instance. They have provided excellent responses. Few students responded with a single word, few in phrases, and few responded in a whole sentence.
Happy in the cage?
No,
Why?
they cannot fly.
Very good. Do you like to have the birds in the cage?
No, I like them to be free.
Where did they go to get the pets?
To the pet shop.
Did Kavin like to have a rabbit as a pet?
Yeah.
What did Kavya want to have as a pet?
Puppy.
What birds do they see in the cage in the pet shop?
Clapping encourages everyone to continue with their response. The students acted out the scenario while reading the dialogue strips. Have you observed how smoothly the students read the sentences?
Let us go to the market. I will get you a it.
I think they deserve a hearty round of applause. Now, the teacher guides the students to complete the worksheets independently. Thank you.